Let's learn how to fix Poppo Live app not working. Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to fix Poppo Live app not working. For those Poppo Live users that find it difficult to log into your Poppo Live account, or if for any reason you cannot live stream on your Poppo Live, these are few steps you have to take. As you can see, I have fixed mine. So the first thing you have to do is to head straight to the phone settings of your phone. Search for app management. Click on app list. So yeah, what I have to do is to search for Poppo Live. Click on storage and cache. I can now clear my cache, and automatically my Poppo Live will be active. But if for any reason after clearing your cache you still have problem, if you don't mind, you can clear your storage. But have it in mind that when you clear your storage, your Poppo Live will become a new app automatically. Any information or details you have on your Poppo Live will be deleted. Your Poppo Live will become a new application. So having done that, if after that your Poppo Live is not working, I would advise you go to your Poppo Live app. So right here on my Poppo Live app, I just have to click steadily on the app, uninstall, and go back to my Play Store or Apple Store to reinstall the app on my device. That way the app is going to be fixed and it will work effectively on my device. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.